waiting for my boy Mark here. This is like recorded way in advance, man. Like it's such a life-changing experience what he is doing for me right now. So basically what we're going to be doing over here, which is going to be a very fun thing to film, is this is a car wash. And basically they're like transforming it into a wrapping place. Like what they're doing over there, that's like where they print everything with their like printers and stuff. And then this is like where they're gonna like be wrapping the car. You know what I mean? They have some stuff in here that, in all honesty, Mark, bro, you confuse me when you're mentioning the machine stuff. But this is pretty much what they're doing over here is, you know, just converting everything. It's a little bit dirty right now. Huh?
Rub dirt. You never rub dirt. Scratch shit rubbing dirt.
I wasn't rubbing it, I was just seeing if it's dirty. That is wicked cool. Oh, really? Huh. Yeah. Up we go, boys. Okay, the middle one.
Oh, what are you doing? Don't lean on it. You want to know what it's on.
Oh, all right.
Pushing or are you doing?
I'm just pushing.
Oh, I thought you were on.
Oh, no.
Make sure it's good. Go ahead.
Other side.
Yeah, it's the bottom of the eye.
Hang on. Okay. That's impossible to sit on. It's like cooking my ass cheeks, quite literally. So there will be no sitting. You know what I mean? The boss man. Fucking time, bro.
Fucking Dan broke it.
I didn't break it, you broke it.
Worked before you broke it.
The super broke it. It was too super for it.
Shit.
We are going to be fixing a CNC machine. Basically what happened is it was in the process of like carving out my YouTube logo, and the machine just like dropped. Basically, as you guys can see, kind of where the R is.
So it looks like what happened is this brass threaded piece that pulls the screw up and down to lift the Z-axis up and down is completely worn out and stripped out. This is a very old part, so this is going to be really interesting trying to find or have one of these machined or modify the head. So I guess that's what we're going to be looking at.
This is where he makes like the Deadpool thing out front, like the banner, that right there. This is where he does all of that. And then this one, this is like the same thing, but just like a different one. Pretty cool. I'm ready.
So what about the solo? Alright.
How do you use it? You just...
So here's how this works. He just watched me wrap a hood. He thinks he can now wrap a fender. So he's wrapping that fender, I'm wrapping this fender. We both have the same vinyl, the same tool. Let's see how this goes.
You gave me a squeegee?